If you have any complaints against anybody, you are not a Buddha. That's a litmus test. Do you have any complaints against anybody? Then you are a Buddha. Zero complaints. Zero. Say. Zero complaints. Zero judgments. Zero conclusions. I don't conclude anything about anybody. I never have any complaints. I never judge anybody. If you are willing to be corrected, I am willing to correct. But there is no question of judgment. If you are a zero complaint person, if you are a zero judgment person, if you are a zero conclusion person, you are the real hero, you are the real Buddha, my dear friends.